All right, y'all gonna love this video. This is about some free indicators that I love to use. This stuff is actually free. Yes, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it. And I'm gonna show you how to be able to use these indicators and what they do and where to get them for absolutely free. And I've been using these for a very long time. So it's going to help improve your trading. Again, I'm here to help you learn how to trade. Even if you don't buy my system, that's cool, no problem. You'll do much better off if you did, because it simply, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and then you know what to do. 1, 2, 3, and you know what to do. And we're currently in this one for 17, 18 pips. But because I know that it hasn't hit the triple arrows on the other side, we're going to hold this trade over the weekend and just wait until next week. Okay. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point is, as you can see right here, a lot of you guys see this in my trades screenshots where I'm able to tell you how many pips is each position and this kind of stuff. Well, the reason I'm able to do that is because this is called Info Plus. Write that down, Info Plus. What Info Plus does, it gives you all the necessary information you need to know for trading. For an example, it gives you the high, what was the highest price of today, the lowest price of today, and all these different things. Give you the candle time left. So this is 7 minutes before the next candle will print, because this is a 30-minute chart and it's currently 11:58 Central Time. So again, it's telling you, hey, in 7 minutes you're going to get a new candle. If I was to switch this to the 15-minute chart, it'll still tell me the same thing, but let's do a 5-minute chart and let's see what it says. See how the time switched to 1 minute and 40 seconds before the next new candle on the 5-minute chart will print out. All right. So that's very helpful information for candle time. In addition to that, every time you switch the time frame, it'll tell you right now I'm on the M30, and let's switch it to the M1, H1. See, it tells you, and I'm up 20 pips. Thank God for that. So anyway, that's very helpful information. In addition to that, all right, and there it tells you what pair you're trading. And here's the biggest thing. If you have multiple positions open at the same time, it will tell you what the pip value is on each position. And then right here, it'll give you a running total. So if you look back on our Facebook page to Super Easy Forex, you'll see sometimes I have 4 positions open. And the reason I do that is because once it goes into profit, I start closing out certain positions and leave some running. That's the reason why I do that. But when all 3 or 4 positions are open, it will literally tell me the pip value of each one of those positions and then give me a running total right here. Down here, it tells you what session is open and stuff like that. I don't really pay attention to that because I know what times, but for newbies, maybe this will be helpful. It'll tell you when your Sydney session is open, Tokyo and London, and All right. So that's very helpful. Okay. So in addition to the triple L system, 1, 2, 3, green and yellow, double green and the yellow goes up. Double red and the yellow goes down. So in addition to that, I always use this because I can easily see what my pip value is. This is the main reason why I need to know it. And then at 4 o'clock, the spread's open. This is a huge one here because some people be entering trades at 4 p.m. Central Time when the U.S. session closes. Those pip spreads can go from 5 to 10 pips, and people be jumping in because they don't know the pip spread, and they'd be huge upside down. But with this, you can clearly see what the pip spread is at that time, right? So that's very helpful as well. I think that's it about the, and then it's showing you the current price right here. Of course, you can see it over here, but it gives you in the big area here. Also, you can customize the colors. I like the total pips when it's in positive territory to be this color green, but you can make it any color, even this. All of these, you can customize the colors. And again, it is absolutely free in the marketplace store. And I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, let's go to something else that I love. All right. Watch my charts very carefully. This is critically important because it's going to tell you the rhythm of the swing trade on average days when it makes its move. So right now, you just see my charts and everything else. Watch this little magic trick. And this is also free. Okay, and I'll show you how to get that. Ta-da! Look at that. See, it tells you, it automatically puts a square around the activity of each one of those days at its conclusion. And some people want to know, some people trade the high of the day or the low of the day. Well, how do you know the high of the day? Well, if it's shooting up higher than the previous day and it's constantly bumping up against the top of this, and like it went up here, but then it came back. It retested, which created the M pattern. Remember, I taught you guys about the Mark Williams or the V straightaway. Here's a sample of the V straightaway. So it created a V and took off. And now right here, it went up, down, and back down, and that creates that M pattern, and there you go for the Mark Williams that I was telling you guys about, and I'll show you a W pattern shortly for the Mark Williams. So either way it goes, I knew this was the highest point of the day, so once it retested, created that M shape, up, down, I knew, okay, time to get in, and that's why you see my entry right here at the high, in addition to the triple arrows, 1, 2, 3, okay? But either way it goes, even if you can't recognize the M patterns, I just saw my triple arrows show up, 1, 2, 3, and I jumped in immediately, right? But here's what this is about. Now with these day breakers, or this day box, that's what they call a daily box, it will automatically create the box around each day. So now what that does, it helps you to understand the rhythm of this currency pair or any pair you're trading to see on average how many days does it make a reversal. So as you can see, this is Friday, and let's count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's go back in history and see if we see the same thing. All right, here we go. And look at here, another M pattern, but that's not the point. How do we know to get in? 1, big arrow, little arrow, and a yellow. Double red and a yellow, it goes down. So here's when this happened. A lot of people know about the midweek reversal. As you can see behind there, it says Wednesday. So that was a midweek reversal. It reversed backwards, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on average, 3 to 5 days. Let's look at this one. Here's a very crooked looking W, but it's still, who cares? Triple arrow said get in. 1, 2, 3, and it went up. But look what day? On a Monday. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Okay, let's go back a little bit further. Let's see again. Here we go. Triple arrow, 1, 2, 3. And this is a 30-minute chart. You can do it on any time frame and do the same thing. Now let's count. So you would have got in here on Wednesday, midweek reversal, and hey, how many days did it do? Look, last Wednesday it reversed. This Wednesday it's reversing. Are we seeing a pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is clearly telling you that on average on these trades, look at here, let's count from here. 1, and that was another Wednesday when it went down. Look at there. I think we're on to something. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on that Monday, it reversed back up. 1, 2, 3. Then look at what happened on that Wednesday. Wednesday again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on another Monday, well, looky here. Aren't we seeing something? Now, we don't have to depend on that because the triple arrows will tell us what to do. But do you see the point? Here's a Wednesday here. Wednesday here. Wednesday here. A Monday here. A Monday here. Tuesday here. So miss Monday, but Tuesday, still same thing. And here we go. You get what I'm saying? So you can easily start checking these trends and know for sure what's going on in the market. Here goes another Monday where it went back up. Here's another Wednesday. Okay. Same exact stuff over and over and over again. So it missed it, but either way it goes. Now look at this one. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. So on the USD JPY 30-minute chart, if it was me, I'll be paying attention to reversals every 3 to 5 days. Every 3 to 5 days. And you can do this on any pair. All right. Let's throw in one more real quick for visual purposes. And this is called daily box, and I'll show you that in a minute. So as you can see, look at this beautiful one. You would have got in on that Tuesday, midweek, or it's not, it's, you know, it doesn't really matter about the day, but it's just to give the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Okay. And then it reversed. Let's check and see how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Are we seeing something? So on this Euro Aussie pair, it looks like it's reversing. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anywhere from 5 to 6 days. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Isn't that amazing? So every 3 to 5 days, it seems that it's reversing. See how this is helping with the daily box? Last but not least, let me show you how to get it. These are both free. Info Plus and Daily Box. Okay. So what you do is you go to the down here, you have your buttons, and let me move this down so you can actually see it. All right, so down here you have your trade tab, which shows you your open trades that you have running and stuff like that. But if you scoot over down further to market and click on that, you can actually just type those in, and I'm gonna type in Daily Box, and it's free, okay, because they have tabs here. My computer's running slow because I'm sharing my screen. See, it's under free tab. You got things you can buy, and then you have things that's free. So daily box, and ta-da, there it is. Okay, and then you just click on it, and then it gives you a thing over here. If you don't have it, it gives you a theme right here, and it'll pop up and say download, and you just click on it, and then you'll have it. Okay, and then info plus, the same thing, and let me show you that. Okay, all right, there it is. See, it's under the free tabs. These are free. You don't have to even pay for this stuff. All right, so then once you do get it, let me show you where it's going to be located. All right, and I'm going to pull my screen up this way. Once you get it and you go in here, I'm sorry, no, you're going to go in here under your indicator list. All right, so under your indicator list, you're going to see, where are you? Market, okay? Under market, here it is. And all you have to do is just drag and drop. That's all you have to do. So daily box, you don't have to change colors or anything. It'll automatically print these colors. Under info plus, you just drag and drop. And right here is where you can change these colors to whatever you want it to be. So if you want the pip value, positive pip value to be green, which is what I like, what you're going to do is switch it to green. And then the rest of these colors, you know, they have them in red or yellow or whatever. You can change every single one of these colors to whatever you want. You can customize it. Okay, watch this. And it has many different things, and these are all free, everybody. Free, 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 free. Don't pay anybody for this stuff. It's free. All right, and let me show you how to do this last one. I'm almost out of time on my video recording time. They only give me 15 minutes per video, and then click OK. And voila, look at there. Bingo. So let's put in a trade that I'm in right now. I am in, which one? I'm in USD JPY, I think. Yep. All right. So see, as you can see right here, see, everything was white. On the other one, it was yellow. It doesn't matter. You can customize the colors to whatever you want these to be at. But as you can see, I wanted my positive pip value to be in green, and sure enough, it is. Okay. This doesn't have to be in red. It can be any colors that you want. But again, guys, these are absolutely free. Stop paying for indicators when you could get this stuff for free. But again, as you can see, you can test the rhythm of each one of these currency pairs, so you'll know exactly what's going on and how they actually swing and how many days on average. The other thing that gives you comfort to know is that on average, once you enter a trade, and this is very, very, very important for me, once you enter a trade, you realize, okay, I don't have to panic once I know it's heading in positive territory, because I'm sure I'm going to be holding this thing, if I'm going to hold it for the full swing, on average anywhere from 3 to 5 days. So once you've entered this trade, you don't have to stay there watching it every minute, because you know on average it will swing from position to position anywhere from 3 to 5 days. And this is great for people who have employment. Okay, so once you enter into the triple arrow trade, once you have my system and you enter the triple arrow trade, you automatically know, hey, I can sit back and relax, take a few days and come back, or check it every 24 hours just to make sure. That's pretty much it. Okay. All right, everybody, enjoy your weekend. This is August 24th. And I am out of here. I'm finna go hang out with my wife and spend time with her. And that's what I expect you guys to do. Start spending time with your family and less time on the charts. That's the reason why this system is so beautiful. If you don't have to spend hours upon hours upon hours studying Fibonacci ratios and marking up charts and all these different things. Look, the triple arrows, get in, place your stop loss like I have here. I moved it down since this moved down, because usually we have it here above the big red. But as it's moving in positive territory, we don't want to put too tight of a stop loss, but I will put it above the daily box, which is another great feature about the daily box, because since I know this is the high of the day of the week, the weekly rhythm, I know it shouldn't break any higher than this. So I move my stop loss down and I'm comfortable and I'm going on about my day. So I'm going to enjoy my Friday. You enjoy yours. Hopefully this video was helpful. Bye, everybody.